Most building contractors prefer to proceed with the construction of the second floor before completing the ground floor works. This approach is commonly adopted because once the ground floor finishes, such as flooring, tiles, or other architectural works, are installed, the area can no longer be disturbed or used for scaffolding support during upper floor construction. Therefore, completing the upper structural works first prevents damage and ensures smoother workflow sequencing. Preparation for scaffolding installation. Before erecting scaffolding on an uncemented ground floor, ensure that the soil is properly compacted to prevent settlement or sagging when subjected to heavy loads, particularly during concreting works on the second floor. As demonstrated in the video, a concrete pavement is provided to serve as a stable base or shoe for the scaffolding base jack. It is important to note that placing the base jack directly on bare soil is not recommended. It must rest on a solid and stable surface such as a hard concrete pavement to ensure safety and structural stability. Once the base jacks are properly installed on a solid surface such as a hard concrete pavement, the vertical and horizontal pipes for the scaffolding system may then be assembled. It is important to note that the use of traditional H-frames or A-frames is no longer recommended for building construction. This is because structural members such as beams in multi-story buildings are significantly heavier compared to those in low-cost housing projects. Pipe scaffolding systems provide greater load capacity, flexibility, and stability, making them more suitable for high-rise or heavy structural works. After erecting the vertical pipes for the scaffolding, horizontal pipes are installed to serve as bracing members that prevent the verticals from leaning or shifting. A swivel clamp is used to securely connect the vertical and horizontal pipes together. Ensure that all vertical pipes are properly plumb and the horizontal pipes are accurately leveled to maintain stability and allow the scaffolding system to safely withstand vertical and lateral loads during construction operations. Proper alignment and tightening of clamps are essential to ensure that the scaffolding can safely withstand both vertical and lateral loads during construction activities. All scaffolding installations must comply with safety standards and be inspected regularly to verify stability, proper connections, and load-bearing capacity before any work is carried out.
Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments and share this video.